Guys, mag-lesson na tayo ngayon. Lesson 1, lesson 2. So guys, when you're being bullied, nabully ka, syempre yung maliit ka pa ba? Ako kasi nabully ako nung maliit pa. Those were my primary years. But then, ngayon na, syempre naka-move on ka na. I'm 36 years old now. So, I just remember, but did not forget about it. But syempre, napatawad mo na. Pinatawad mo na yung mga taong yun. But never, ever associate yourself with them again. No? Diba? Wala, but those were the times na syempre kailangan mo magsikap, kailangan mo to develop your personality more kasi 'di ba? Hindi nila nagustuhan kaya nga nabully ka, 'di ba? So you try to become better yourself, no? Better yourself, develop your personality more, to become better, to become the better version of you. Hindi yung syempre, but ngayon, say for example, makasalubong mo sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, o syempre, you will be like nice and kind to them. Ganun naman ang dapat para maging mabuting tao ka. Hindi mo rin sila i-bully back because it happened long ago. So, napatawad mo na. So, just move on but never associate yourself. Walk away from people that don't want you. Walk away. So, yun.